Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I am going to show you how you can make a mirror shake effect in CapCut PC. So after you open it and prepare your photo that you want to edit, for example, just select one photo to the track. So to make mirror, you can you can copy it. Alright, so for the second clip, you are just going to select mirror. Right, select clips and copy it until until you get some clips, and then after done you are just going to add this shake effect. Select effects and select video effects and select the shake effect. Okay, I think in nightclub. Okay, just select the shake effect. Just looking for shake effect. Okay, I am sorry, the camera check. Just download it and add to the track. Okay, just for the duration is something with the video with the clip. Sorry, okay, can adjust for the range and the speed, and you can see for the final result like this. Okay, that's how you can make mirror shake effect in the CapCut apps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.